Types of wire conductors. We have solid type, the stranded type, the PDX cable or twin lead cable. Among the best insulators or dielectrics are air, mica, and plastic conduits. A plastic split knob, a thermoplastic insulator, the porcelain type of split knob,